Okay, on to question 4. Can I be bothered plotting these? I'm not going to plot them. You're good. I think you all got them right. If you have any issues, see me. Let's go on to this one then. Why is Sagittarius called a zodiacal constellation? Well, what can we see on here? Can we see anything on here? There's an interesting point, right? Where is it? 23.5 minus 23.5, which is about here. And 18 hours. So right there, that's an interesting point. Why is that point interesting? Well, it's on the ecliptic, right? If you think about the sort of path of the sun throughout the year, we always draw it backwards, don't we? So go something like, oh, that's rubbish. Start again. Why am I thinking that's wrong? Like this? I can't remember. Anyway, the idea is this is the declination, and then these are the months, right? So this is like January. No, it's not. That's a March. This is like March, because the sun has a declination of 0. And then highest point, sun has its highest declination in June. And then this is, where is this? September, back to a declination of 0. And then this point right here, this is in December. The sun is lowest in the sky. And what are the hours? Well, remember, we define the hours. If we want to write these as right ascensions, this is 0 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, 18 hour. So we can see, what are we? We're at this point here, we're at 18 hours and minus 23.5 degrees. So, hey, that's that point right there. So we know that the sun can appear right here. So that means that point must be on the ecliptic. So we can say this. We can say that Sagittarius is on the ecliptic, so that all the ecliptic passes, they say on the mark scheme, through or near the constellation Sagittarius. And then let's reference it that like as 18 hours, like maybe right ascension, 18 hours, deck of, how much was it? Minus 23.5. Minus 20.5 is, what would it be? It would be position of sun in winter solstice. There you go. Pretty cool. So what's the best month to observe the constellation of Sagittarius in the night sky? So what this tells us is that the sun is going to be here, sun here, in December. So are you going to be able to see the constellation in December? No, because the sun's going to be in it. It's going to be daytime. So you basically need to wait 6 months till the sun is on the opposite side. We think about, draw a little diagram here. There's Earth, there's sun, and then our constellation is like here. Well, in December, we're here. So the sun and the constellation are in the same direction. But in June, then we'd be here. The constellation would be this way, and the sun would be in the opposite direction. Okay, so state the best month. It would be June. Explain why. Well, I would say something like Sag is near sun in sky. It's not actually near the sun, right? So near sun in sky in December. Therefore, in 6 months, Sag will be, and we can use a key word here, at opposition. You know, just like the way Jupiter could be at opposition, we can use that key word, that Sagittarius will be at opposition on this diagram. Tricky question, yeah, but really, really fun as well. Good job.